Hey Bryn, how's it going? This is Gavin Kraft. We spoke earlier today on the phone in regard to sending this video over for you. So I'm just going to jump right into it and show you three things that you guys can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So I've found that a lot of local business owners are so busy actually running their business that they don't really have time to learn how the internet can really help them grow. And oftentimes, the only hesitation they have when it comes to working with someone is they just don't know who they trust or who's actually an expert. So I found that by giving business owners this simple free attack plan of real actionable steps they can actually take to grow their business often leads to many of those business owners reaching back out whenever they need help with their marketing. So if by the end of the video you liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that could really help your business grow, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you'd rather just take this free attack plan and run with it yourself, that's totally fine too. All I'm asking for from you is just some feedback on the video once you're all finished watching. All right, now let's get right into those three things that will set your company apart from the competition without wasting any more of your time or mine. All right, so the first thing I want to go over is content. So you guys need at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized with Google so that Google can start ranking you up in the organic search results. So I went ahead and I copied all the content on your page, put it in word counter, and you guys are currently sitting at 306 words. Now, again, having right around 1,500 words is ideal for real optimization so that Google can rank you up. So if we take a look at one of your competitors in the area, this is Salt and Slate Cleaning. The reason I chose them to compare against you is because when I searched luxury home cleaning, Salt Lake City, they're pulling up in the #1 organic search position spot, which is exactly where you should be. So I'm going to show you every way that we can beat them out. So going back to their page, I went ahead and I copied all the content as well, put it in a word counter, and they're sitting at 1,168 words. And again, that's a very beatable number as Google is really looking for right around 1,500 words for real optimization. Now, it's also important to note that including quality words throughout your content will help Google understand exactly what your page is all about. So when those keywords match for what people are actually searching for, your page becomes more relevant, which means higher rankings, more clicks, and ultimately more customers finding you instead of your competitors. Now, if you look at this tool I use over here called Ahrefs, you can see I have your URL in there, and it's currently showing that you have 0 organic keywords within your current content. And since you don't have any keywords, you're not getting any additional clicks to your website. But we look at the competitors over here, you can see that they have 22 organic keywords within their content, and those keywords are responsible for an additional 374 clicks to their website each month. So what you can do in this case is click right here on their organic keywords, and you can see exactly what's working for them. So what you can do is go through all the keywords and find all of the ones that are relevant to your business and the services you offer. Find the ones with a high search volume and a low KD score, and then implement those specific keywords within your 1,500 words of content, and that'll allow for real optimization within the Google search. Now, that leads me to my second point, which is citations. So what citations are, it's pretty much your name, address, and phone number, and anywhere that information can be found online. So you might be asking, well, why are citations important? Well, when you have more citations, Google will rank you up higher in the Google Map Pack here. So as you can see, XKDA Professional Housekeeping is currently in the #1 organic position within the Google Map Pack, and that's due because they have the most citations. And then Salt and Slate Cleaning, they're in the #1 organic search position, and that's mainly due because of their content, keywords, and backlinks. And if you take a look at this source I use over here called WhiteSpark, you can see that it's showing that you currently have 8 citation sources found online. And I like to personally get right around 100 to 200 of these citation sources so that you can dominate the top spot in the Google Map Pack and stand strong when your competitors are trying to rank up as well. So that leads me to my third and final point, which is backlinks. So in simple terms, what a backlink is, it's when site A is giving credibility to site B. So say, for example, there's a well-known blog post in Salt Lake and they do cleaning reviews. Now, they mention your business. Now, the credibility that that website has is going to be transferred to your website. Google is going to recognize that and turn it into authority and then use that authority to rank you up in the organic search. Now, it's also important to note that not all backlinks are created the same. Say, for example, Pizza Hut wrote an article around luxury cleaning and design. Okay, yes, technically that's a backlink, but it's not really a relevant backlink since you're not slinging pizzas, you're cleaning luxury homes. So the moral of the story is having more quality backlinks is a lot more important than the quantity of backlinks that you have. And if we look over at Ahrefs here again, you can see that you currently have 9 backlinks, and 8 of them are authoritative, giving you that power to rank up. Now, we look at the competitors. They currently have 26 backlinks, and 9 of those backlinks are authoritative. So what you can do in this case is click right here, and you can see all of the directories that they have their business listed in. And then you can go register your business in all of these directories and obtain all the 9 authoritative backlinks they have. And then I like to get an additional 100 to 200 on top of these so that you can dominate the competition in all 3 of these aspects that I'm talking about. So just to wrap everything up, number 1, we went over content, the importance of having at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage and in implementing the quality keywords so Google knows exactly who to send over to your page. Number 2, citations, having around 100 to 200 of these citation sources so that you can stand strong in the number 1 organic position within the Google Map Pack. And then number 3, backlinks. You guys just need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you have the authority to rank up into that number 1 organic search position. So I bet you're wondering, well, what now? So you've got 2 options. You can either take everything I showed you today and start applying these strategies yourself. And honestly, that'd be awesome. You could possibly start seeing your business climb towards that number 1 spot on Google starting today. But if you'd rather take the faster route to allow yourself to actually stay focused on your business and save yourself the time, I'd love to chat with you one-on-one just to answer any questions you might have and get to know you and your business goals a little bit better. That way, I can put together a more clear idea of the results you can realistically expect and put together a detailed plan for your future growth. So with that all being said, you can reach me directly at 435-640-5329. Once again, my name is Gavin Kraft, and I really look forward to hearing back from you, Bryn. Have a great rest of your day.